So second year higher level algebra test 2, question 2. A part 1, factorize. This is a quadratic expression, so we have to factorize it. So two brackets, so x and an x, two numbers that multiply together to give us minus 30 and add or subtract together to give us plus 7. So we're going to use plus 10 and we're going to use minus 3. Plus 10 by minus 3 multiplied together give you minus 30, and plus 10x take away 3x give you plus 7. So that's the first part done. Second part, hence or otherwise solve. So we take our factors from up here, x plus 10 by x minus 3, and we let them equal to 0. First factor equal to 0, the second factor equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 10 and x is equal to 3 are our two answers. In part B of the question, you're given a quadratic equation and you're told solve it and give each answer correct to 2 decimal places. Now the 2 decimal places is a hint that you're going to have to use the quadratic formula. So minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, the whole thing divided by 2a. So our values, a is the number in front of x squared, which is 2. B is the coefficient of x, or the number in front of x, which is minus 7, and c is the constant, which is the number on its own, which is minus 10. Remember to take all the signs with you from in front of the numbers. Okay, so minus b is minus, and put it in a bracket, minus 7 plus or minus the square root of minus 7 squared minus 4 by a, which is 2, by c, which is minus 10, all divided by 2 by 2. And this is going to give us our x value. So x equals minus by a minus is plus 7 plus or minus the square root of. When you're squaring minus 7 on the calculator, make sure to put it in a bracket unless you otherwise know that when you square a negative number you always get a positive answer. So 49, and then we have minus 4 by 2 by minus 10, which is plus 80, divided by 2 2's are 4. So you're going to get x is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 129 divided by 4. So your two solutions, the first one, x is equal to 7 plus root 129 divided by 4, and the second one, x is equal to 7 minus root 129 divided by 4. So your first answer is 4.5894, and the second answer is minus 1.089. Now you're asked to 2 places of decimal, so you look at the third number in each of them. So x is equal to 4.5, and the 9 here makes the 8 become a 9, and over here minus 1 point, the 9 makes the 8 become a 909.